What's good, guys? We're back with another video 2 years later. Still got the 350Z. As you guys can see, I've done a few more things to it, but yeah, you know, I really just wanted to get back into documenting this. I forgot how much fun I had just like making content, and you know, I'm getting deeper into this car stuff, so I wanted to really, you know, document the journey and bring you guys along the way. So yeah, I'm gonna be working on the Z today. I got a few things I want to get done, but I'm gonna start my day off, go get some coffee. So yeah, let's get at it. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but I did put an exhaust on this car since the last time I saw you guys. It's nothing that crazy. It's just a muffler delete, but it's got a little sound now. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, honestly. Got an insane deal on it. Insane deal. Let's get this coffee. Coffee secure. Alright, so what I'm going to get working on today is finishing with this seat install. This project's taken me a few days. I put this half cage and both these NRG Innovations bucket seats in. As you can see, I went with the red, kind of to match some like red details. My steering hub is red. But yeah, today I am planning on finishing this install. What I still got left to do is put in the harnesses over for the passenger seat, and I also just have like a bunch of the interiors gutted from the install, so I wanted to get that reinstalled. Yeah, I just want to get the interior reinstalled because, you know, I could kind of keep it gutted and go the whole like track car like way with it, but I want this car to be the nice like in between for the moment, where it's just like a nice street car that I also take to the track. I do have plans of drifting this car, which is how I'm planning on building it. Yeah, but I want to put some of this interior back together. Like down here, I have to put this trim at like the floor panel. I gotta put some trim over here, and the whole back, there's like no trim back there. So I just want to get everything looking like it should. All right, so I'm picking up a bit later in the day. But yeah, these are the harnesses that we're putting in. I already got the one in the driver's seat. I just gotta do the passenger, but I went with race clips. Came with some stickers, and yeah, I just wanted to get some like red and black harnesses. Like I liked how this had like the black hardware, because I was looking at some other ones and they had like chrome, but I thought it would just match the red seats pretty well. Yeah, these are the shoulder straps. I decided to go with 6-point harnesses because I wanted to make sure that the harnesses that I got were good for like any sort of track event. So these are FIA certified, and I decided for 6-point over the 5-point just because they seemed a little more comfortable. I already got the anchors in the car. I had to like drill a couple holes actually in the trans tunnel. I could show you when I'm putting them in, but let's go put these in. All right, let me show you guys what I was talking about. So the bolt that is connecting the bottom of the seat belt, I went ahead and replaced it with this eye bolt. So that's going to serve as one of the anchors for the harnesses. And then it's a bit hard to see, but back there I had to drill a hole in the trans tunnel to put another eye bolt. And then I was able to put the two for the center leg straps. They're like right here. There's a piece that the seat bracket mounted to that already had like a slotted hole, so I went ahead and I mounted them to that. Let me see, maybe I could squeeze the camera in there. One of them is right there, and the other one is on the other side. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the center straps. As you can see, it has the little quick release on it. Yeah, putting this in is pretty simple. Basically, since I got the anchors already done, which is the harder part, I just have these clips. They just snap onto it, and then I just adjust the strap to the right length. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in. First, I'm gonna remove this side cushion because it just comes off like that. Actually, I'm gonna remove both. The seat cushion too. That way, we have easy access to the hole for the center strap. Alright, I went ahead and got that center strap in all adjusted. Yeah, I just made sure to sit in the seat first to make sure that this is around the right location, like around your waist, because this is one of the ones that you're not really gonna be able to adjust so much. Like with other people hopping in and out of the car, most of the adjustment's gonna be done on the shoulder straps and the ones for your waist coming from the side. So yeah, I try to leave just like a little bit of extra length because also the seat's on sliders. So if I was someone shorter, they could scoot up, but honestly, there's really not much reason to as a passenger. It's about as far back as I can get it, so I'm just gonna try to adjust it here. Test out the sizing a little bit longer. Perfect. I got the lap belts in, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these seat cushions back in. All right. Now I got the center strap and the lap belts in. Now I'm going to work on the shoulder straps. So the shoulder straps actually connect directly to the half cage I got in here. And yeah, I can show you how I did on this side. Basically, yeah, so you can see I just have them looped around the bar right there. And you basically like run the strap through the buckle like 3 times. And yeah, it holds it there. And then there's excess hanging down, but I'm gonna roll it up and use a zip tie to secure it once I get this other one done. So yeah, let's get at it. Alright, just finished putting the passenger harnesses in. So now we got a look with both the seats fully installed. All I gotta do is tie up the slack on the harnesses right here, but I'm gonna do that in the morning. It's pretty dark, but yeah, this is it. I didn't get to show you guys yet too, the seat backs actually got this pretty crazy dragon design. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, there's like the head of the dragon. All right, it's the next day. Here's how we're looking. I got the harnesses for this too. I just got them folded back because I was driving this. But yeah, all I gotta do now is just roll up the excess of these harness straps. And I think that's what I'm gonna call it for this video. final look. The harnesses are all in. So you can see I just rolled up the excess. I'm happy. I think they turned out nice. Well, that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. Yeah, I'm happy I finally got this project finished. Like I said, it took me a few days. Had a bit of difficulty getting the cage in, you know. I had to buy some extra hardware, drill some holes, but you know, it really wasn't too bad. It's in there really solid now, and got both my seats mounted, got the harnesses all in. We good now. I'm so hyped. Y'all, I've been wanting to drift this car for so long, and I've been holding out mainly for financial reasons. But, you know, I've been saving up some money recently, and finally I decided to pull the trigger. You know, I knew getting into drifting, it was going to cost like a few thousand, so I didn't want to pull the trigger until I knew I can get all the parts I needed. But I've been stocking up on parts, and I'm so excited. Y'all, I can't wait for you guys to see what I got planned. All right, that's all I got for you guys today, and I'll see you in the next one.